Good day students. In this video I will show how to solve some selected questions from chapter 2 Quadratic Equations, subtopic 2.3 Sum and product of roots of quadratic equations. Okay, the first question: for each pair of roots given below, form a quadratic equation in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0, where a, b and c are constants. Okay, we have two roots, like for the first question a, -5 and 8, and we are asked to form a quadratic equation in this form, the standard form of a quadratic equation. So how to do that? I'll show you. Okay, the first question. First of all, we know that the equation for the for the sum of roots and product of roots. So if you have sum of the roots and product of the roots, you can replace in the quadratic equation such as below. So x squared minus sum of roots x plus in bracket product of roots equals to 0. So this is given, the formula is given. So we have the roots now in this question. Okay, so we'll find the sum of roots. So sum of roots equals to -5 plus 8, that will be 3. And we can find product of roots. Product of root is -5 multiply 8. So -5 multiply with 8, you get -40. Okay, now replace this in the equation. So x square minus sum of the roots is 3. So 3x plus product of the roots is -40. So replace -40 equals to 0. Equals to 0, and we can simplify this. X square minus 3x plus minus becomes minus 40 equals to 0. That will be our answer. Okay, so moving on to next question B. So I'll use the same formula, this formula. So copy and paste it here, and I'll find the sum of roots. So -1/2 plus -1/4. Okay, you can solve this. Okay, I'll -1/2 minus 1/4 equals to -2/4 minus 1/4 becomes -3/4. Okay, -2 minus 1 is -3, -3/4. Now we'll try to find the product of roots. -1/2 multiply negative 1 over 4. So a negative and negative, when you multiply it gets positive. Answer will be 1 over 8. Okay, now we replace in the equation. So x square minus sum of roots is negative 3 over 4. So in bracket negative 3 over 4 x plus product of roots is 1 over 8 equals to 0. Simplify this, you'll get x square plus 3 over 4 plus 1 over 8 equals to 0. So I want to eliminate the fractions. I'll multiply the equation with 8. So multiply with 8. So we get 8x square plus 3 over 4 multiply 8, you get 6. 6x, okay, I missed x here. 6x plus 1 over 8 multiply 8, you get 1 equals to 0. That will be the answer. Okay, moving on to question C. I will copy paste again. And try to find the sum of roots and product of roots. So we have negative 6 and 2 over 3. So sum of roots, negative 6, 2 over 3. Sum of roots is negative 6 plus 2 over 3 equals to negative 18 over 3 plus 2 over 3. Negative 18 plus 2, you get negative 16. 16 over 3. Okay, that is sum of roots. You can find next. You can find product of roots. We multiply both roots, negative 6 and 2 over 3. So when you multiply, you get negative 4. Okay, you can get negative 4, negative 12 by 3, yeah, negative 4. Okay, now we replace that in the equation. So x square minus sum of roots, negative 16 over 3 x plus product of roots, that's negative 4 equals to 0. Okay, I'll try to eliminate all the fractions. So I'll multiply everything by 3. So I'll get 3x square plus 16x, 16 over 3 multiply 3 get 16, 16x minus 12 equals to 0. That will be the answer. Okay, so moving on to the next question. Okay, I'll push this question down further. Okay, we'll do the next question, second question. A quadratic equation has a root which is, hold on, let me push it down. Okay, a quadratic equation has a root which is equal to negative 12 and another root which is 2/3 of it. Find the quadratic equation. Okay, the quadratic equation has a root which is 12. That means the root, oops, let me change the color. First root is -12. Let's say I name it first root. So second root, two-thirds of the first root. So 2/3 multiply the first root, that is -12. So you'll get 8. Okay, so -8. So 2 times 12, -24 times we area by 3 is -8. So now you can find the equation. So what the equation is, I just copy and paste the formula. This is the formula. X square minus sum of the roots x plus product of roots equals to 0. So in this case, x square minus sum of the roots will be, oh, I haven't done the sum of root, but okay, I'll do it straight in the equation. So -12 plus, oh, it's negative, so another bracket, -8. Okay, so I'll make the first bracket is a square. Okay, so we have x plus product of roots. Product of roots is you multiply the roots, that is -12 multiply -8 equals to 0. So x square minus -12 minus 8, you get -12 minus 8, x plus 12 times 8 is 96, negative negative become positive. So x square minus -20 x plus 96 equals to 0. X square plus 20x plus 96 equals to 0. Okay, that will be the answer. Moving on to the next question. Okay, I'll just move it a bit. Quadratic equation has a root which is equal to 3 and another root which is twice of it. Okay, so first root is 3 and then the second root is twice of it. Twice of it means twice the first root, that means 2 twice times 3, so we get 6. So I'll get the formula, just paste the formula. So this is the formula that we'll be using. So replace the values in the formula. X square minus sum of the roots, that is 3 plus 6, x plus product of the roots is 3 multiply 6 equals to 0. So x square minus 3 plus 6 is 9x plus 18 equals to 0. That will be the answer. Okay, x square minus 9x plus 18 equals to 0. That's all for today. See you again in the next video.